Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Naki and this is Cook with Naki. On today's menu we're going to be baking some fish. This is how I bake my fish, save them for my soup and stew. So these are the fish that I have. I have some puggy fish, I have some mackerel, I have some tilapia, I have some bluefish. So usually when I go to the fish market, usually the fishes that are on sale and it looks fresh, because sometimes it's on sale and it's not good. So you got to always look for the good ones. Yeah, so I look for the good ones and I buy them. I buy them a lot because I like to bake them and put it in the freezer. So anytime I'm ready to use, it's just easy to use and it saves a lot of time when I'm cooking. So yeah, this is how I wash my fish. If you love, you could use like lemon and vinegar, but I just love to wash my fish this way, and it's really clean. When I do it this way, I take one and the running water and I just make sure it's well clean. Yeah, and I put it in the bowl. If you don't like it this way, just get your pot, put the water in it, and just wash everything in the bowl. But I like it this way because I feel like I tend to wash it really well because it's under running water and every fish get really clean before I put it in the bowl. My fish is well clean now, as you can see, and I'm just going to be seasoning it with salt. No other seasoning, just salt is fine because at the end of the day it's going to go into soups and stew that is already seasoned. So yeah, but if you want any other seasoning, yeah, go ahead and add any seasoning of your choice. But at this point, just salt and toss it, and that's it. So this is a trick I use to bake my fish. Yeah, I put the water in the aluminum tray. I put it underneath the rack, so I lay my fish on top. I love this method when I'm baking my fish because, as you can see, all the liquid from the fish like goes straight into the aluminum tray with water, and it does not cause any smoke at all. And yet this is how it looks. Yeah, that liquid, of course you want to discard that because you're not going to use them. And my fish is ready, and after taking them from the oven, I want them to cool down because it's hot. You don't want to put them straight into the freezer, you're going to mess it up. So after it cools down, I put them in the Ziploc bags. After putting this in the Ziploc bag, I'm going to save this in the freezer, so anytime that I'm ready to use, I just take a bag and go straight into my soups and stews. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope you give this kind of recipe a try, and I hope you love it. Until I come your way next time, this is Cook with Naki. Be good to yourself, be good to everyone. It goes a long way.